In the shadow of the night, I cried, I prayed, felt the weight of the world, my strength decayed. But a whisper came, a guiding spark, Allahu Akbar, through the dark. Allahu Akbar, light in the storm. Allahu Akbar, my heart grows warm. Allahu Akbar, I'm never alone. Through every trial I find my home. Through every trial I find my home. The winds howl loud, the skies turn gray, but His mercy shines, it lights my way. When I stumble, when I fall, Allahu Akbar answers my call. Every tear, every fear turns to hope, He is near. Allahu Akbar, light in the storm. Allahu Akbar, I'm never alone. Through every trial I find my home. Through every trial I find my home. Mountains crumble, oceans rise, but He's the anchor in my skies. When I'm lost, when I'm weak, Allahu Akbar is what I speak. In the shadow of the night,